2012 Chevrolet Suburban Z71 rear wheel drive. Black color, pinstripes, aluminum alloy wheels with Goodyear tires, side step running boards, tinted windows, roof rack crossbars, tow hitch trailer package, rear bumper protectors, backup sensors, trailer wiring, plenty of room, all-weather cargo mat, power tailgate, nice black leather interior, captain's chairs in the middle row with climate controls and heated seats. Carpeted and all-weather mats throughout. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Heated front seats. Memory seat. Dual automatic climate control. Free 90-day trial, Sirius XM satellite radio. Navigation. Backup camera. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls. Auto headlights. Just over 189,000 miles. Does have a replaced transmission already. And it's even got a sunroof. Come on and see us. AU Cars.